Hello guys, welcome back to J Fashion Academic, and today I will be showing you guys how to calculate your measurement if you want to cut your material. So we are going to be using measurement of blouse and skirt. Blouse. So this blouse is shirt. You can see it's shirt, while this one is skirt. Yeah, normal skirt. So now the calculation that we'll be using. So now this is your shoulder, this is your bust, this is your waist, this is your length, this is your hand. So this one is the same thing as shoulder measurement. This is your bust measurement, this is your under bust measurement, this is your length, that's the blouse length, and this one is the hand sleeve, that's the 10. So shoulder measurement is 17, shoulder measurement is 17, bust is 40, under bust, or let's say waist, is 30, then the length is 23, then the hand sleeve is 10. So if you come to your skirt, your waist is 28, your hips is 42, and your length is 31. So now we are going to do the calculation for this blouse. So the calculation is shoulder is 17. So it's equals to, you divide 17 divide by 2 is equals to, you're going to use your tape. This is your 0, this is your 1, check your 17, this is your 17. So you carry the tip of the tape, place it here, put it like this. It's going to give you your measurement. This is 8.5 or 8.5. Remember, this is your 8, this is your 8 1/4, and this is your 8.5, 8 3/4, 9. So your 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So you can put 8.5. So that means your shoulder measurement is 8.5, plus you are going to add your sewing allowance, that's half inch, making 9. This is 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. So we are going to add this half inch, going to give us 9, plus half, that's like this, half inch. So 17 divided by 2 is equals to 8.5. Then you are going to add this half inch for your sewing allowance. So that means all in all, your shoulder measurement is going to be 9 inches. 9 inches. 9 inches. This is your shoulder measurement. Hope you understand. Shoulder measurement 17. So you are going to do 17 divided by 2 is equals to 8.5. 17. This is your 17 divided by 2. This is how you divide your tape. 8.5 plus half inch, that's 9. You see 8.5 plus half inch equals to 9. Then you go to this one, you are done with this one. Go to your bust measurement. B, that's your bust measurement. So for the B is 40. So all you need to do is 40 divided by this one. We are going to divide it by 4, not 2 again. 4 equals to, then you are going to use your tape. You look for your 40. This is your 40. Then you carry the end of the tape, the zero, I'm going to place it here like this. You see, like this. So like this is divided by 2, remember. Then you are going to, this is 20, you put it again, divide it again, is 10. So 40 divided by 4 is 10 plus half inch, going to give us what? Going to give us 10 and half. 10 and half. This is your bust measurement. We are done with this. Going to waist measurement. Your waist equals to, your waist is 30. Your waist is 30. So now it's the same thing you are going to use. You are going to use the calculation for bust to get your waist measurement. So 30 divided by 4 is equals to, use your tape. You look for your 30. This is your 30. This is your 30 right here. Going to divide it like this. This is by 2. Put it again like this. This is by 4. So 30 divided by 4 is 7.5 or 7.5. 7.5 plus, remember, you are going to be adding half inch for your sewing allowance. Some are using 1 inch while some are using half inch, but for now let's use half inch plus half inch allowance. So it's going to give us what? Going to give us, if you, this is your 7, this is your 7 1/4, this is half. So if you add this half here, is going to give us 8. So your waist measurement is going to be 8 inches. Let's come to length. So for the measurement of length, the length here is 23. So all you need to do is just addition. So since the blouse measurement is 23, so you are going to say 23 plus 1 inch. While I'm using 1 inches, half inch will go at the shoulder measurement, the up, that's the neck side, and half inch will go at the down side, that's the end of the shirt. So if you join half plus half, is going to give you 1 inch. So now your length 23, you do 23 plus 1 inch equals to 24. So your length measurement is 24. So now let's come to, so we are having remaining hand. So your hand, which is H, hand sleeve. So your hand sleeve is 10. So the measurement is 10. We are going to do addition. So it's going to be 10 plus 1. Why I'm using 1 is the half inch will go at the folding of the lining, while the other half will go at the joining part, that's the shoulder part. So if you do 10 plus 1 is going to give you 11 inches. That's your hand sleeve measurement. So now we are done with this one. We are done with this. We are done with this. We are done with shoulder, bust, waist, length, and hand. So now we're going to go to your waist, your hips, and your length. So sorry, I'm going to use here. Oh, let me just use here. So now your waist is 28. 28 divided by 4. This is your 28. This is your 28. You divide it by 4. This is into 2. Divide it again. Is 7. So it's equals to 28. This is equals to 7 plus half inch equals to what? 7 plus half inch equals to 7 and half. Going to give you 7 and half. So this is your waist measurement. Your hips is 42. So 42 divided by 4. 42 divided by 4. See? By 2. So you do it here again. Going to give you 10 and half. So 10 and half plus half inch is equals to 11. You see, 11. You see, 11. Then your length. Length is 31. So for the length, no need of division or subtraction. So all you need to do is you are going to use addition. So 31, you are going to add 31 plus 1 inch equals to this 1 inch. Half will go for the upper part and the half will go for the down part. So equals to, is going to give you 32 inches. So this is your waist measurement, hips measurement, and length measurement. How to calculate your measurement. So with this, you are done. How to calculate your measurement. So thank you for staying and viewing this video. So next, I'm going to do the breakdown in another version again. So see you next. God bless you all.